Some people think that the Makki verses are surahs are these surahs which revealed in Makkah, and the Madani Surahs and verses are these verses which revealed in Medina. But it's totally wrong, because the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was born in Makkah, and when the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was 40 years old, Allah Ta'ala made him prophet. And after that, when he started preaching, the people of Makkah bothered him and enforced him to leave Makkah. So Prophet Muhammad ﷺ left Makkah to Medina. So there Prophet Muhammad ﷺ lived for 10 years, and after that Muhammad ﷺ died. So the verses which revealed before migration, these all verses are Makki verses. And the verses and surahs which revealed after migration, these all verses are Madni verses. Even the verses which revealed in the way to Medina, these are also Makki verses. Whatever Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was not in Makkah, but that are Makki verses and surahs. And the verses which revealed in the journey to Miraj, when the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ went to Allah on sky, these all verses are Makki verses, because this incident was in Makkah. So Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was not in Makkah, but these verses are Makki verses. And all verses which revealed to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ after migration, these all verses are Madani. It's no matter where Prophet Muhammad ﷺ is. Even the verses which revealed on Prophet Muhammad ﷺ in Makkah, these are also Madni surahs and verses, because these revealed to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ after migration. Even the ayat, Inna Allah ya'murukum an tu'addul amanati ila ahliya, this verse revealed to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ in Makkah, but this verse is Madani, because this revealed to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ after migration. So we can say the verses which revealed before migration, these are Makki verses. And these verses which revealed after migration, these all verses are Madani verses.